Türkiye is one of the most impressive ancient cities in the world. Established in 1200 BC, it's over 3,000 years old. The first civilization that inhabited Türkiye was the Hittites. It was then conquered by the Greeks after the Trojan War. Its strategic location provided access to the Mediterranean Sea and its fertile lands. Alexander the Great freed Türkiye from the Persian rule, and it became a center of culture and commerce. However, Türkiye reached its zenith during the Roman period. The city was transformed with the construction of grand public buildings. The theater, built to accommodate 15,000 spectators. We are in the ancient city of Türkiye. The first inhabitants here were an Indo-European civilization from about 3,000 to 4,000 BC. Every year, the fertility festival would occur. They had theater performances, they had athletic competitions, and each festival lasted several days. When Christianity was starting in the 3rd and 4th centuries, Türkiye became a very important place for the new faith to find its roots. These impressive ruins are from the Romans when they conquered and ran Türkiye. The stadium, capable of holding 12,000 people. The Roman baths, impressive hot and cold public baths with advanced water distribution. The Agora was the commercial and political heart of the city. This is where the Agora stood. The columned streets are a distinctive feature of Türkiye. Deep grooves in the stones indicate the constant passage of carts and chariots. Türkiye was an important center in the worship of the goddess Artemis. And the city was also famous for its healing sanctuaries, like our modern hospitals, providing for the treatment of different ailments. After centuries of being buried, Türkiye was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now we look at a Turkish artist's craft that has been around for thousands of years. The Turkish rugs. What you see here is thousands of Turkish rugs, all different designs, all different colors, and they're left out here for several months under the elements, the rain, everything, right on the dirt. And that is to let the dye get inside of the wool. Is by the sun hitting them, you'd think it'd fade them, but what it does is it drives the colors deeper into the wool, so you get a much richer look in the rug. It's an amazing place, and I like to say it's kind of like a rug farm out here. But this is the way it's done. This is the way it's been done for thousands of years. I walked through Hadrian's Gate, just as people have for 2,000 years. The gate serves as a portal between the historic and modern, like some seamless blend of past and present Antalya. The gate is symmetrical Roman architecture. The arches are supported by Corinthian columns. The historic Old Town is another gem. Characterized by its narrow cobblestone streets, Ottoman-era houses, and ancient city walls. It invites you to wander through the meandering lanes, discovering quaint shops, traditional cafes, and hidden courtyards. The old city's historic ambience and vibrant modern cultural scene make it an endless place to explore. Balık Meyhanesi, a popular seafood restaurant offering fresh fish, octopus, and calamari. As you walk, you can get lost for hours. It has unique shops like Ottoman's Dreams, featuring a collection of vintage and antique items. All Turkish food is fantastic, but in the Old Town you have some of the top culinary restaurants in Türkiye. You see all kinds of Turkish history, from ancient to recent. You finally end up overlooking the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. But now it's time to eat. Merhaba. I'll have the mezgit.
Okay,
One, and I would like a fry of mussels. We're here at Çıtır Balık. Balık is the Turkish name for fish. This is a very fine specimen here I've got between two pieces of bread. You get the fish, they fry it for you, and then you take it over and you dress it with all your vegetables and sauces that you want, and of course some lemon wedges as well, which I am adding as I speak here. I also got 8 mussels, which I intend to enjoy. But first, I want to get into the balık. The fish explodes in your mouth with flavor. It is absolutely enjoyable. You know, sometimes you take a bite of a sandwich, you taste the bread. This is all fish. It is absolutely gorgeous. So this would be the version of the fish taco in America. This is a fish sandwich, balık. It is Antalya, Turkey's version of the street fish taco. It is absolutely delightful, very, very good. So you have to think of something about Turkey. Turkey has about as much coastline in this country, which is about the size of Texas, as the entire Pacific coast and half, at least, of the Atlantic coast. It's surrounded in the north by the Black Sea. It's surrounded in western Turkey by the Aegean Sea, and in the south by the Mediterranean Sea. It is certainly a fish country, and fishing and fish are a huge part of Turkey's economy. I love the fact is that they let you put on your own dressings. They let you put on your own vegetables. And these vegetables are all cut fresh. The bread is soft and almost warm when you get it. It is absolutely delightful. Also, the fact that you can get it right off the street here, just walking down, spend just a few minutes with eating and enjoying it. It's something that you just don't find a lot of places except Turkey. So we have these mussels here. This is how you eat a mussel in Turkey. We opened it, we have that, we do this. Of course, a mussel isn't a mussel unless you put a little lemon on it. That is heaven. That is pure heaven. Taste the spices in the rice. The mussel is a delicate little jewel. It is absolutely delicious. Please like and subscribe. Join us as we show you the world. These are my last looks.